we want to make sure that our kids know that learning does not take a break. Learning does not take a vacation. Assalamu alaikum, it's Nyla of Outstanding Muslim Parents, and I am here to talk to you about getting your children to enjoy learning. You have some parents who homeschool, you have some parents who send their children to brick and mortar school, and whether they're inside a brick and mortar school or whether they are online schooling or anything like that, there are ways to get your children to enjoy learning. Now, you can have an easy child, like how I was when I was growing up. I love learning. I was a big fat nerd, still a big fat nerd. Well, not fat as in physically fat, but a big nerd. And I enjoy learning. I still enjoy learning to this day. And I think a lot of it did come from my mom making learning fun for me. I had really fun teachers that made learning fun for me. And when it comes to that, we want to make sure that our kids know that learning does not take a break. Learning does not take a vacation. That's one of the things that I've seen a lot in the States where, and I don't know if that's in other places too, but they have like summer vacation or these different breaks. And it's just like, oh, playtime, kick it and everything like that. However, when it comes to learning, even on vacation, when my children have vacation days and their summer vacation or their spring breaks or anything like that, we still did things every single day to keep their brain going, to keep them learning new things. And they enjoy it. They love learning. Right now, my children are learning Russian and they're excelling in it because there's a whole new language. It's not just because it's new, because sometimes new things can be difficult. Sometimes new things can be a little challenging. And when it comes to children, and I'm talking about even children, I'm dealing with children from ages 3 to 16 right now as far as the learning spectrum. And when it comes to new things, even from those ages from 3 to 16, new things can be difficult. And when you're learning new things and it's difficult, sometimes that confidence decrease and you don't want to do it because you're not confident in the things that you're doing. So how do you combat like this lack of confidence to create this fun learning environment for your children? Well, first off, have the fun things around, be very creative when it comes to learning. Like my 3-year-old, we do different ways of singing the learning thing. So it's in a song, whether it's a cleanup song, whether it's a number song, whether it's a color song, shape song, we'll find some way to do that. We'll use some of his favorite toys to do some counting. I've done that even with my younger children who are pretty much in like the early primary, I guess that's what it's called, primary school age, where they're like in the first grade, second grade and everything like that. And they're learning to add bigger numbers. They're learning to multiply and things like that. So we do their favorite toys. We probably do snacks. We'll do, just different things like that to make learning fun. So with their Russian though, they use it in even if they call it I'd say Rushlish or whatever, where it's like Russian and English mixed together, because whatever they know in Russian, they'll speak it in Russian, and whatever they know in English, or all the stuff they know in English, they'll say it in English. So they'll just continue to use it in their everyday language. So how you make it fun? You use toys, you use their favorite things, you use song, you use boards and colors and all those other good things, and also get them involved. Ask them what they love to do, what they love to work with, what is their favorite thing to do, how does this equate to their daily life, all those different things, because the more they are asked about it, the more that they talk about it in their own words, it makes it like it's their idea. When it's the child's idea, they are more in tune with learning. They're more engaged in doing it. And when they know that the parent cares, whether your child is homeschooled or whether they're virtual schooled or at a brick and mortar school, be engaged with your child. Ask them about their day, and don't just settle for it was good. Ask them to elaborate. Use their words, use their descriptions and all that other good stuff, and ask them to teach you what they learned. So then they feel like the teacher, so they will have that enjoyment when it comes to learning. And then they will also be able to celebrate the stuff that they learn and that they know, because now they can share it and teach it to someone else. So I hope that helps. I hope they give you some good information on how to get your children to enjoy learning. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And if you have any questions, please put them down below. And until next time, I look forward to seeing you. Have a great one. Inshallah, God willing, I will see you soon. Assalamu alaikum. Peace.
Assalamu alaikum. Peace. I'm Coach NAZIR.
And I'm Coach FATIMAH.
And I'm Coach Nyla.
And we are the founders of Outstanding Muslim Parents. I want to introduce you to something that you may be interested in, because you seem like a proactive parent already just by the video we interrupted. All right. And that's called the OMP Inner Circle. That's where we all train deep dive into parenting. So whether that's the first stage of children up to 7 years old, or 8 to preteen in the second stage, or of course the teenagers and young adults in the third stage, we deep dive with the 3 C's as well as the 3 E's. So what our members get every single month, all of our students, they get brand new training every single week. That includes downloadable audios, downloadable worksheets, so you can deep dive into it. And of course you have our personal email addresses as well. However, every single month, we have a live Q&A for all of our students. So we go to answer the questions or deal with different challenges and things that they may be dealing with parenting, because we know it's an ongoing struggle. Just us, here being the parents of 12 children.
Right.
Okay. So with that being said, I want to congratulate you on being proactive.
And make sure you click the link below in the description, and we'll let you get back to the video. Assalamu alaikum.
Peace.
Peace.